So this is something that I didn't mention in the video on Canvas, but I think this will be helpful, and I think it's a really great tool to use. So this is where you can actually create color themes. You don't need to actually be in Illustrator, but you can do this through this website, and it's nice because it works with your phone too. The name of the website is color.adobe.com. One thing you'll notice is there's some new color themes here that aren't on the Adobe Illustrator's color theme tool. For example, split complementary and double split complementary and square. Those are some additional color rules that are included on the website here. And you can search for the different rules by going into Explore. And this is kind of nice the way it's done. So it kind of gives you the 5 swatches. In addition, it gives you an image that those swatches are based off of. And you can click on one of these and then add it to your library, or you can download it as an ASE file. And what the ASE file is a format which you can actually open up through the swatch panel in Adobe Illustrator. There's a couple other things down here too which are really nice additions to the color website, and that's this Pantone matching system. So you actually get some Pantone color swatches here, and what's important about this is that when you're doing a print job and you need a very specific color, that's what's called using a spot color. And a spot color is typically using one of these preset inks, pre-mixed inks, and each of these inks has a particular code that you use, and you tell this to the printer when you want to have a specific color that's necessary. And most of the time for branding, for logos, you would be using a spot color. This is something too where you get into on the print side using a 5-color press, because you have your CMYK and then you have your spot colors. So you either have a 5-color press or a 6-color press. You can only use these on a particular press that supports 5 or 6 or more colors. And here down below too, this is just giving you the different color units for each of the different color modes that are out there. So that's a nice feature as well. And here, create using a theme. It just takes you back to the theme color wheel, and then you can adjust it if you want to. So there's a lot of nice features in the Adobe Color website. This is just switching the background color so you can see what the color wheel looks like against a darker color. Here too, you can save this to a particular library that you have set, which is nice. So another feature is extract theme, and I'm going to switch this back to this white background. And here you just select a file. So here is a file from another class that a student was working with a color palette here. But what extract theme does, it will take 5 colors from an image and build a theme for you that way. And then you can kind of explore variations, muted, deeper colors, etc. And then you have this extract gradient tool, which is kind of cool too, which deals with the gradient. So you can create a gradient based off of that image. Accessibility has this interesting colorblind simulator. So this is kind of nice from a user experience standpoint to assure that you're picking colors that are identifiable to people with color blindness. So this is telling you that this theme is not colorblind safe, and what that would actually look like to people who have different types of color blindness. So a lot of great features in this tool, and then once you have a theme that you like, you just save it to your library. The different themes here that are unique are split complementary, where you have something close to a triad, double split complementary, where you have two complementaries and a additional, like an accent color that you can move around. And then you have square, which is similar to the double split, two complementaries, but one of these becomes a you can the additional color on one of these is like a tint that you can adjust. So yeah, that's the color website from Adobe, which works with the color theme tool.